Hi, my name is Mary K Hoodhood and I'm the founder of Kids Food Basket. Thanks for tuning in today. We are so excited about our big move to get a bigger space so we can feed even more children. We need your help. Today you're going to be looking at the office space. We need space so people can have a private conversation and actually think about what they're doing. At the end of school this year, we were feeding 2,500 kids and plan to feed that many more in the fall. This summer, we're feeding like 1,800 kids through the rec program and schools that operate year-round. Thank you for helping us attack childhood hunger.